I'm in a 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you how to jump start your vehicle. So first you'd open your hood, and then here's your battery location, which you should find your positive here and your negative here, which you can double check on the battery as well because it's got a negative and a positive symbol. And from here, next I would check for any corrosion or looseness in your wires and lines. If there are, you can clean them up good with a good rag or brush, and then make sure everything's tightened up. At which point, then either with the jump box or with your jumper cables, you connect your positive red to this metal here directly, and then your negative to this one directly. And then if we're leading to another car, make sure that your positive is leading to the positive on the other car and your negative to the negative on the other car. You don't want to cross these, because with them crossed, even just for a few seconds, can cause significant damage to your computer systems, fuses, things like that. Make for a bad day. But that said, hopefully this got you started, and if that fails, worst case, you have to replace this battery. It's easily accessible, luckily, so you just disconnect these from the battery, pull this cover off, and then you can just lift the old battery out, stick your new battery right in the same place, and then screw everything back on nice and tight so this battery stays nice and secure. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.